Welcome to Science of Selling on the University Media YouTube channel. My name is John Debo. So today, I want to run an ad test to one of our distributors in Enugu. So, and then let's go straight to it. Before we run this ad test, for this particular post you are seeing here for Miracle, Litton Brown Enugu distributor, we'll first of all see the inside of the post. The post has 1 share, 11 comments, 11 reactions, 11 likes. And then let's look more into the inside. And then it has reached 481 people and there's 71 post engagement. Okay, so maybe I'll need to screenshot it. You can even get more insights. Here, which may not be necessary for now. But what I will do is I will screenshot it and then I'll screenshot it and keep the record so that we'll be able to track it. Okay, so let me screenshot the insights. Okay. The essence of science of selling is for you to be able to monitor the impact of the ads and see whether you go on with the ad or if there are areas you need to work on. Okay. So the first thing is let's fund the ad. Let's fund the ad first. Okay, let's fund the ad. Okay, so based on this post insight, they say that the 481, 23 engagement and 43 clicks. Okay, that is not our concern. Let's move. We need to fund the account. Before we fund the account, the balance in this account is 2,717 naira 8 kobo. So let's try to fund to add money because she paid 3,500, of which is only 3,000 that will enter the account. The 500 is usually for different kinds of charges here. So let's add 3,000 naira into her account for this particular ad. Okay. I'm not teaching how to add accounts on this particular video, but this is how to add the account. You put the number, then put the card name, then you put this number, which I'm going to cover all this. I now say pay. All this, say pay. The reason why I need to cover this is obvious because these are details of my ATM card. It's not supposed to be made public. Someone can just get access to it and then OTP has come 5726 5726, I think 53 or so. Yeah, 53. 72653. That's the OTP one time PIN 572653. I got it. Then you submit to fund the account. You are trying to fund the account. I'll do a special video. Your transaction was successful. You wait. Just wait. Good. Now, when it's like this, you just can exit this, then come back here. I've seen the money has been debited 3,000. Yeah, and now exit, then you go back to the account. Account was 2,000 something before. It's now 5,007. It was 2,007. It's now 5,007 because you have added 3,000 naira. All right, so let's go ahead with the ad. We are going to create. Let's create new. Guys, we are trying to create new audience. So you come here and say Enugu, right? Enugu only. Enugu only. This ad will run only on Enugu. So yeah, so that's a region. And make sure you remove Nigeria. You're not targeting the entire Nigeria. So you type Enugu. Yeah, Enugu State. Yeah. Okay, you now save. Targeting Enugu State. Okay, so I'm targeting 26 years old. To 46, then only women. Okay, Facebook has removed the detailed targeting. Otherwise, could have targeted further. But 7 days learning phase will normally handle this detailed targeting. So, which we are going to talk more on another video. I think we are done. And now save. We are done with the targeting. Targeted only women that are 26 to 46. Okay, and then you go. All right, so come back. Sorry, another thing you need to do is another thing you need to do is you come back here and then remove it from automatic. Put it in get more engagement. Get more engagement. Good. It's now under get more engagement. This is goal. These things are called ad goals. So the goal of this ad is that I want Facebook to show this ad to people who are likely to react, comment, and share. And later I will tell you why we prefer this more than messages and automatic. Because messages is where you want Facebook to show it to people who are likely to send you a message. Okay. So let's go ahead. We have selected Enugu only. So you can see it here. Enugu only. See it. Gender, female, age, location, Enugu State. Yeah. So now the amount of money we put is 3,000, as you can see. And it's going to reach 1,600 people to 4,700 people. Okay. For how many days? 4 days. 4 days. I think that is okay for 4 days, but if you want to make it 3 days, it will reach 2,000. So this is now your options. Is your option? The options are available to you. You know, you want it to reach more people in 3 days, or kind of less people, but in more days. So normally, this is the first time we're running ad on this particular post. Normally, it's recommended that the ad run for 7 days. And for it to run for 7 days, you will need more money to run it for 7 days. But it's still an hard test, so let's test the 3 days. When another person pays for 7 days, we'll still test the 7 days. Remember, it's science of selling, so we are testing things and then getting results so that we can be working based on what is working. So here I am going to leave it for the 3 days. Let's test for 3 days. I can test 3 days, 7 days, 15 days and 30 days. So we know what we are doing. Today is February 10. That's why I'm showing this. Friday, February 10. So this ad is supposed to run Friday, February 10, and then to end on Monday, February 13. Run till this ad until February. So you can see it here. So 3 days ad, and everything is okay. So I can push it right now, and then we'll pause the video and then see how much the ad performed in 3 days. Okay, to 3,000 naira, targeting Enugu. That's just the thing. So that's basically the thing. Alright, so let's see. Let's push it. Boost now. Then watch it. Watch it. Good. Creating ad. Alright, so you can see here, status is in view, so you can see the details here. So let me screenshot this also as we wait for the ad to is now being reviewed by Facebook. Okay, it's being reviewed by Facebook. You still check here. It is being reviewed by Facebook. So you can see the audience. Check out this, Enugu location, living in Enugu. This is people living in the age and the gender, and that's all. That's all I want to do in this video. So let's watch and see how it goes. All right, I'll see you in another video.